Thinking of extra rounds.
Report the next location. For the Emperor! Speak now!
On the army! Fresh munitions. Swapping magazine. Gather to me. Ammunition cache here. The Zangor threat is halted. Fresh munitions.
The Imperial Revivalist. Join me, Dagger. Has died.
Paths are clear and codex compliant.
By the Emperor's grace, I fight again.
I do not recognize these symbols.
We will report it to the Ordo Zeros. Continue with the mission. There are more pressing heresies that need our attention. Our first priority remains the battle barrage.
Fresh magazine in. Valor and virtue triumph over vile treachery. Rearming. Just death for a betrayal. beacon of hope for a dark hour.
Captain Akaram, your Ultramarines are late. We are under heavy attack and need reinforcements.
We are approaching your machine, Master.
Make haste, lest your tardiness lead to the harm of our blessed vessel.
Suspects engaged. Ammunition cache here.
Brothers, to my mark. We must move as one. Rally our coordinates.
Justice for turning against your brothers. Horsebaits keep scaring ready. Fresh magazine in.
Brothers, repel the assault!
To battle, brothers!
Firstly, sons of Marsus and Terminator!
Releasing frag grenade. Swapping magazine.
I bring seeds to Adamantine and Salamant!
Throwing frag grenade. Enhanced visual income.
Enemies of the Imperial!
Rearming. Gathering supplies. Picking up extra rounds.
Adequate performance notice, Talassa. I have opened the gates. The cogitations are clear. We cannot preserve this blessed vehicle with such a meager number of troops. Talassa is not there to provide you with protection. They are there to prepare that battle barge for flight. It couldn't possibly break free of Demarium's gravity in its present condition. We only require that it reach the enemy vessel and destroy it. I had thought you Astartes would possess them.
The engine should provide sufficient lift, but the vessel's fusion batteries are fully depleted. There's no charge to start the ship's reactor.
We shall supply the spark for you to kindle the vessel's heart, Tech Priest.
There is a fusion battery that we could use to awaken the reactor, but it too will require charging from our power plant. Those areas of the facility are compromised.
Our tactics are sound, and our resolve is undaunted. Beginning servo carriage escort.
Due to the volatile nature of the fusion battery, safety protocols prevent it from moving without an attendant. Lead it along the tracks to the junction station.
Swapping magazine. Fresh munitions.
Some of your
Heresy led you to this end. I am no engine seer, but these tracks seem misaligned.
There are several consoles for managing the tracks nearby. You must perform the appropriate rites of alignment to achieve the desired geometry. Assuming they possess the ability to extrapolate accordingly.
Surely the Ultramarines screen their recruits for reasoning and spatial awareness.
Considering this plan of theirs, I have my doubts.
Changing magazine. Reloaded. Picking up extra rounds. Fresh magazine in. Primary here.
That one's 20 reserve force.
Focus on target area.
Only extending this battle.
Swapping magazine. Proceed to objective. Focus on target area. Rearming. Now we can get back to our
has blessed you with an abundance of power. Perhaps in the machine god's infinite wisdom, they permit the transgression you're about to commit.
Do not speak beyond your ken, Engine Seer. It does not take a Logis to see this is an act of desperation.
Your miserable life ends in disgrace. Fresh magazine in. Justice for turning against your brother's traitor. Swapping magazine. Reloading. Commencing Allspace scan. Just death for a betrayal. Ammunition cache here. Fresh magazine in. Heresy led you to this end. Flagged objective. Rearming. All specs ready to scan. Rearming. Picking up extra rounds. Narratives advancing. Reloading. Fresh munitions. Fresh magazine. All specs prime. Scanning. Thousand Sons of full unit sight. Reload. Picking up extra rounds. Kill that foe, lest it summon aid. One stays with the servo carriage. Rearming. Justice for turning against your
One of us must remain in the servo carriage.
reload. Mark this position. Your specs deep scan ready. Your fire right. Fresh magazine in. Ammunition cache here.
Boons of the Imperium.
Swapping magazine.
Defend the fusion batteries.
Rearming. Fresh magazine in. Picking up extra rounds.
Hicho bana.
Strike down that spearman! Rearming. Zangor down! Fresh magazine in. Clear a blast rate! Codex approved victory!
Charging sequence initialized. 0.01% and rising. Thalassa, we are almost there. What is your status? Preparing the Sword of Atreus for launch now. Hold for our signal.
Just death for a betrayal.
Thalassa, transmitting targeting signal now.
It is weak, but we have it. Lock target.
Your data is clouded, Lieutenant. Maintain close proximity to target.
Reactor is primed for ignition. The vessel is ready. May this machine's service be forever remembered.
Sword of Atreus, primed and locked in.
Lock target now.
Routing signal data through telemetry systems. Numerous errors detected due to signal interference. Calculating trajectory.
Mission accomplished. I hope it is enough. An instrument of the machine god's wrath. This would bring tears to my eyes if I still had them. A heavy sacrifice of such a sacred machine. Let us hope her martyrdom is worth it.